Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I'm going to talk about the products that I received in the Space NK Advent Calendar for 2023. So y'all, several of you have asked me to tell you about the products that I've received. And I did, when I got them, I read you what was in the book. And now I'm going to tell you if I'm using them and how they are working. So, and the price of them, because I did look up all of the prices. The Space NK calendar came with a book, so everything's in here. The pricing is not in here, so I did look it up. It is I believe it costs $303. I don't know why, I can't remember, I can't find the original price, and it was valued at over $1,300. There are a lot of full-size items in here. So let's start. I'm going to go day by day. So day one was the Dr. Barbara Sturm cleanser. And that is this package here. And this was wrapped with shrink wrap. And it's a gentle everyday cleanser. It's formulated with soothing panthenol and aloe vera to help gently lift away traces of the day. And this is it. And I've used it a couple of times now, and it's a foam. It's a very mild foam. So I believe it would be good for everybody's skin. It's very gentle, very gentle. I am liking it. It's $75. So this is one of those things that unless I got it in a box, I wouldn't be able to buy it on my own. So that's why these things, the advent calendars and the boxes, are so nice, because we get to try expensive things that normally we can't try. And because I get the boxes, I am able to keep myself in real nice items, really, from the boxes, and I still have plenty to share. So that I've been using, just like I said, just a couple times, but it's a lovely foam. And then I got the Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. And these are like a half a bottle. And these run $15 a piece. So $30 for the set. And I don't know if you can tell, but I have used it a few times. It's it says that it repairs and strengthens and nourishes, and it's for all hair types. And I've been using it like once a week, if even that much, maybe, because I wash my hair every other day. So, but I do like it. It's very, it smells good. I will tell you this, though, these are hard to open for me. So I've been trying to remember to open them before my hands are wet, and then just leave them like that. But they smell good and they work real nice. My hair is nice and clean when I'm done. So that's the Olaplex. And I don't think I've ever had any Olaplex hair care before. I know I've heard of the brand, but I don't know that I've had anything before. Next is day 3. Day 3 was the Charlotte Tilbury Bigger, Brighter Eyes eyeshadow palette. So that is this one, okay? So this is, you can see the beautiful emblem, or the, her, whatever. It's gold. CT Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the palette that was broken. So I did my best to press it. This was the shade that was broken, the rest is not. If you can see, I have this on, and it's very mild. This is $58. These palettes are $58 for a quad. And I think it's way overpriced, way overpriced. When I'm done, I'm going to show you about 8 items in this video. We're going to do like 3 different videos, because otherwise it'll get too long. I'll swatch it at the end and I'll show you. But I have it on today, so you can see it's very much of a daytime look. And I did buy another palette, and I did not pay $58 for it. It was $58, but I had points from Charlotte Tilbury that I used against this, so I got it at a discount. This is the other one, and this one is called Luxury Palette Color Coded Eyeshadows. Let's see, the Vintage Vamp are the colors that I chose. So they're different palettes, even though they look exactly the same. See, they look exactly the same. And then I tried to pick a different color than what I was going to get. And it is, see, very similar, but I used some of this darker for the outer edges, because this was just so bland. We'll swatch at the end, okay? Day number 4 was Drunk Elephant. And this is the Layla Retro Whipped Cream. And this is a deluxe sample size, so this is valued at $15. This is wonderful. I've been using it. It is, all you need is a little. It really is whipped. If you can see, I have been using it. It doesn't really have a scent. It's whipped. And I'm going to put it on here. So I just showed you that, so I'll rub it in. It's been lovely. I use several, since I get so many moisturizers and things like that, I use several things at a time. So I might use this tonight with some other products. Because I use a serum, I try to use like you go from thin to thick. So something thin like an essence or a thin serum, and then a moisturizer, and then something heavier. So I use it, different days, and it's really nice. I see why this full size, I believe, was $60 for the full size of this. I am liking it very much. The Sunday Riley is day 5, and this is full size. This is the CEO 15% vitamin C brightening serum. This is $85, and I haven't started using this one, but I have used this product before. It is the 15% vitamin C brightening serum. It's really lovely, but I haven't started using it yet because I have too many other things open, so I'm saving that. It's got a nice pump to it. That'll be, somewhat soon next up on my list of things. Next is the Hourglass Lippy. So this is the Confession Ultra Slim High Intensity Refillable Lipstick in At Night is the color. And this is $39 value, and it's very beautiful. It's gold. It does say Hourglass on it here. This is how it opens here. And then here is the lipstick, and I have it on now. I love it. I love it. And this is refillable, and I have not attempted to try. I think this is gonna unscrew or pop out or something. Oh, I'm turning up the lippy. And then you would put another a refill in, and I think the refills are $21 to $27. I can't remember what the refills are. So, but if you want to keep using this beautiful component, it's very beautiful. I mean, it's very sharp to put in your evening bag, or what, in your bag. It's very, very beautiful. And I do like the lippy. It's very nice. When it's on, you can see it's got a bit of a shine to it. It doesn't dry completely. It may come off. It probably would come off on my drink, but it's very moisturizing on my lips. I like it a lot. Day number 7 is the Pharmacy Green Clean, and I have used this in a sample size. This is the Melt Away Cleansing Balm, and it has this. I love this type of lid. I haven't started using this one yet. It has a very mild scent, but balms are, for cleaning makeup off of your face. And especially it'll help with, getting off your eye makeup and all that. It's very nice. It came with a little spatula, so you can scoop out what you need, which is very nice. So you're not sticking your fingers right in there all the time. I'm anxious to start using this. I'm almost done with what else I'm using. So, but I have had this in a small sample that was a one-time use, and I remember it was very nice. I don't think I've come across any pharmacy product that I haven't liked. I think I like them all so far, the ones that I've had. So that is valued at $36. And then I have, this is from Naiad, Multi-Molecular Hyaluronic Complex. It's a refreshing lightweight serum, works to plump skin with a range of molecular weights of moisture magnet hyaluronic acid. It smooths and leaves skin looking and feeling fresh. Sorry about my voice. So I haven't used it yet, but I'm gonna use it now. I'm gonna show you how it works. It's very beautifully packaged. If I can remember how to open it, I think this pulls out of here. Yeah, this pulls out of here like a drawer. The package is gorgeous. Yeah, let's see how. Well, there we go. So that's it there. It's a small bottle, but this is full size, $39 value. So very, very pretty packaging. And it says that it's a thin serum, and directions recommended as a It recommends it to use it with other products from this company. You know, that's what they want you to use, their whole line. So anyway, let's put a little bit. It has a nice dropper. It is very thin. I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand and we'll see. It doesn't have a scent. I don't smell anything. It's like water, so it'll make a great essence to start off my skincare routine. So I'll start using that this evening. Oh, it went in very nicely. Yeah, no scent. Well, maybe a little medicine-y, but very, very mild. Very, very mild. So those are the first 8 days. So I'm going to swatch the palettes for you. So like I said, I got the one. This is the one that I bought separately, and it is color-coded eyeshadows, it says. They're made in Italy. I think they're baked. That's what I had heard about the Charlotte Tilbury. The one that came in the advent calendar is Exaggerize, Bigger, Brighter Eyes. And it tells you number 1 is prime, 2 is enlarge, 4 is for pop, and 3 is to define. And I didn't really see that going on here. What do you think? All right, let's see. Okay, see how light they are? And there is that 4th color, which they're beautiful. Don't get me wrong, because they are beautiful. Let me get a cloth to clean my fingers with. And the broken one, it's very beautiful. It looks like a gold shimmer, but it really is very, very light. I'm gonna try very hard not to damage it. Okay, well, I got a good bit on. It has a really nice shimmer to it. It's hard to use since it broke, but that is difficult for me to make an eye look out of. I mean, you know, that one, that's as dark as it gets. So, but I did use that. This is the one that I used, and then I used a couple of the others, and I'll show you which ones I used on the other. Okay, so $58, y'all. I mean, come on. Now these 4, this one, here, I'm going to show you the same way. All right, so these 4, this one, I think it looks to me like the same exact color. It's so light. It's like this one. It's even lighter. Let's try again. See, those are much darker for me, but I don't even know if I can see that in the camera, but I don't know if you can, because it's the same color as my skin. Very, very light. Here it is again. No, that's not right. This is the other palette. They're so similar, and they might be the same thing, because this one doesn't call out colors. Like I said, it says prime. It's called prime, and then enlarge and define and pop. And these are called, the same thing. Prime, enhance, smoke, and pop. Prime, enhance, smoke. And then the pop is the gold. And it's beautiful in the pan, just beautiful. But when you go to use it, let me see if I can get you all right, I got a lot on there. It comes off very, very light. See? So I had to use some of this with this to get something going on here. So that's what I got for you. The first 8 days of the calendar, and then I'll do the next 8 days, and then I'll do the last 9 days. So that's what we have. And y'all, thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.